What's up guys, back again in this me channel. Okay, today we are going to review the gorgeous Dainese Aero Evo suit. And then this is the very last Dainese Aero Evo suit that I have before I have the black and white. So I had that one, and I will show you some good features on this suit, which are on the shoulders, both left, either right, has the metal protection, and then as you can see, this side too, and on the elbow, as you can see, it has as well. Okay, this one too. And this suit doesn't full perforated, but for the perforation hole, this is very nice, as you can see on the sides, on the WE frame here, this side. This is the micro elastic area. Okay, and on this side there's a perforated, but this is nice too, as you can see on the both knees, legs has it too. So this is, when you wear this suit, you will totally absolutely like the racers at the track. So this suit for sure for the track, but not for the street, but you can use it on the street if you want. And let me do another side. So this is the appearance from another side. Okay, another gorgeous look. The hump, you can fill it up with the water inside, but you have to change the hump a little bit, modify. Dainese have it, you can buy it there. And then again, some perforation here. So this is how it looks like from the side. Very gorgeous suit, very nice. And then again, perforation. Yep. And so this is how it looks like from behind. As you can see, one over here, another one over here, and this elastic area, very nice. Make you very comfort, guys. When I worn this, totally comfort, because I just get this stretch here, and here. Okay, you can see, and they set it like this. So this is just like really totally like a race, but it is a race suit. And they said the same thing with this, same thing. And with this suit, you can wear either Dainese Axial Pro in boots or the out one. And the good things again about this is the suit, it doesn't have regular suit. It's like we know the zippers in the middle. Nope, it has two zippers here, like I don't know what they call it, a W frame, whatever. Okay, and very exclusive zippers, as you can see. I like the zippers. And then there's two buttons. Okay, that's how the inside is. The bubble liner, just make you very cool. Okay, and there's a tricky wiki on this suit. If you wanna lock the suit or you wanna close it, you have to lean or you have to bend your body out. Without it, you will not be able to close the suit. So even though in this position, as you can see, I cannot close or lock the suit either way, left or right. So this is totally closed, very hard. So I have to bend it a little bit, or I have to hold it, but I cannot do that one because on my left hand I holding the camera. So let me show you again about the inside of the suit. So you can see it. Okay, this guy. All right, and this is the size is the 50, as you can see. So 50 for a medium skinny guy, and that's me. If you are a little bit taller and you're not that skinny, I believe you will wear like 52. Okay. So this the one that make you comfort inside the Dainese technology, and that's it, guys. So I'm not talking a lot, just know some good features about this suit. And the one that make I love from this suit is this suit has very good eye-catching colors, design. I love these, and honestly I don't want to sell it, but man, thing is I don't race anymore, and again, it better be someone else that will use it. Okay, and that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again on my other review, and thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. See you around. Ciao.